Hi, this is Denise down in Holland. It's a beautiful day today, so I thought I would make some cedar plank salmon. So we've got a couple pieces of salmon here that have sat for about a half hour in the marinade, and now I'm going to toast my planks. So what you do is you put them on the one side that's direct heat, and we're gonna close the lid and we're gonna let them char on the bottom side. And then when they're all charred on the bottom side, we're gonna flip them over to the indirect heat, and then that's when we're gonna put our salmon on it, and we'll cook it that way so it gets a little bit of that smoky wood flavor into the meat. So we've had our plank on here for about 10-15 minutes, and we're gonna flip them over to the indirect heat and then add our salmon. So let's check them. So they're a little char, but not too bad. And I do want to let you know that you do need to check them often, as the first time I ever did this, we had a bit of a wood fire experience, so I don't wish that on anyone. So now that it's on, so we're going to keep this on high. This is our indirect heat. And then on that, we're going to put our salmon fillets, and then we're going to let them cook for 10 minutes on the charred side of the planks. Our salmon has been on for maybe 15-20 minutes on the indirect heat, and it looks pretty done, so I'm going to take it off and we're going to enjoy it and have a great dinner.